channel and welcome to another vintage tips and tricks video. Today I have a little haul for you. I haven't done one of these in a while, and that is purely because I've been trying to focus in on working with brands that I feel really good about. I want to kind of move towards working with eco-friendly, vegan and small businesses. Rather than just going with anything that someone kind of comes forward to me with that has a vintage flavor, I wanted to kind of stay true to my ethics and work with brands that I felt really represented what I feel are good qualities and things that the fashion industry should be moving towards. I'm going to put a little link below to a documentary that's all about fast fashion and the way fashion is moving these days. The great news is that so many brands are moving towards more eco-friendly materials and processes of production. Say that 3 times quickly. But one of the really easy ways that you can be more eco-friendly is simply to shop locally and shop small business. When I work with people that aren't local, I try to work with brands that I feel like have their ethics in the right place. One such brand is Hearts and Found, who recently contacted me and asked me if I'd like to do a collaboration. They didn't really ask anything of me. They were just sending me dresses as a gift, and if I posted or not was completely up to me, which was really lovely. But when I received the dresses, I was honestly literally blown away with the quality of them. Out of every reproduction dress I own, these are by far the best quality. And something that I really like about the brand is that they work with local communities. So they get their materials from small local markets and support local Vietnamese families. The pieces are produced in Vietnam, and I believe Marjorie, who owns the company herself, is from Vietnam as well. So for the business, they are using products from their local area. So it is a small business, it is sourcing locally, it's just that when we purchase the items, they obviously get shipped overseas when they come to us. But you can feel good about the fact that you are supporting a small business, and also that they are paying fair wages, they're sourcing their materials locally, and they're supporting the local people around them and people that they trust and that they actually know, which I think is really, really nice. Then there's just the fact that the dresses are honestly phenomenal. I'm wearing one right now, and if you can see it very well, you can see like the top part of it. You can see how well it fits. They actually do custom sizing, so you can order off the rack, so to speak, or you can put in your exact measurements and they will make the dress for you, which for me was perfect because I have a very long torso. So the standard sizing for the small dresses, my size is a UK 8 or 6 to 8 or a small, and I find that the body or the waistline is way too high for me. The standard waistline or length for the body in the dresses from Hearts and Found was 14, and I actually ended up ordering at 17. So there was really quite a big difference. But I'm super pleased with how they turned out. They arrived and they have the most amazing material, like really unique patterns and stuff that I was super excited about. I got to choose which patterns go with which dress, so I really got to customize it. And I went with 2 sunny yellow colors because it's spring and I really don't have much yellow in my wardrobe, so I wanted to add that in. You can get an idea of the dresses here. I've just inserted a little video of me wearing the dress outside in some sunshine. Actually, one day was quite cloudy, the other day was sunny. Bringing the sunshine with the outfit, guys. But you can see how gorgeous they are from the outside. The silhouette is really nice, and when you custom order you can choose the length as well. I like a mid-calf kind of classic 50s length. A lot of even my vintage dresses have been cut to be shorter because people wore them post 50s, and yeah, they're just, for my legs it's not very flattering. I have very big calves and I like to have the line cut just below the bulky part of my calf, so I'm very pleased with the length of these. I went for the midi long rather than the midi regular. The great thing about these is that everything is lined inside and out. So the dress is basically double, yeah? You're getting double the material. So it's nice and thick. It is cotton, so it still breathes, but it just really helps give structure to the dress. And then this is probably my favorite part about the entire product or product line, is that the dress comes with a petticoat lining, so that the shape of the dress sits really nicely. You could add a full 50s style petticoat underneath because this is obviously just a plain cotton petticoat, but it's just a really nice silhouette, and it means that you don't have to wear a petticoat if you find that you're hot on a summer day and you don't want to go full tulle underneath. You can just leave the dresses as is. It's not going to be see-through, and it just helps fill the skirt out a bit, and I just was really, really impressed with that, especially at the price point. Like, these dresses, considering what you get for your money, are very affordable. Sure, you can look at dresses and say like 80 to 120 pounds is a lot of money, but when you're thinking that these are being handmade, custom made to your size, and then they are lined inside and out, and they come with a petticoat, and you can choose your materials and stuff, like, you're getting a really good deal. Like, it's usually a lot more expensive to go that custom and have a dress made for you. So you really can't go past this. So it's not a hugely long video, guys. I just wanted to introduce you to the brand and just say honestly how much I love them. Again, not sponsored. These guys just sent me some dresses in the hope that I might photograph them and put them on my Instagram, but I was just so impressed that I really wanted to share them with you guys. So I hope you like them. I hope you'll go and check out the brand. I've linked everything down below through to their Etsy page. You can go and read about their kind of ethical side yourselves and check out their Instagram to shop the styles as well. I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that little notification bell so you know when my videos come out. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!